Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm a dealer and educator for APQS. I have a little cute border or sashing design to show you today. I call it Lazy Daisy. I've got a 2-inch border chalked out here, and you'll see when I get to the corner I've also added a miter line, and that just helps me to know where that corner is when I turn it. So I'm going to do a curl in, I'm going to put little daisy petals around, and then I'm going to go in the opposite direction. And little daisy petals around. When I get to that corner, I'm just going to put a little loop and again do my little daisy petals around. I'm just going to cut through the bottom of it and then head across my border. So again, a loop, little daisy petals around. Nice little simple border. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, you can visit your local dealer or APQS store, or visit us online at apqs.com. Be sure to like our YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook. We'd love to see what you're working on.